Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Whale Done stamp set, along with the Whale of a Time 6x6 pattern paper. This is the card kit you get. There's 2 envelopes in it and 2 cards, and all the things that you would require to create the designs as I'm going to share with you today. So I have 2 colors here. One is Granny Apple Green, the other is Balmy Blue. And I'm going to complete both cards for you so you can see how the design goes together. This card design is not my original idea. I got this from my friend Wendy Lee, and I believe the dimensions on the pattern paper is 3x3, and the white piece here that you stick it to is 3x4 1/4, and that is a strip of Balmy Blue glitter paper or glimmer paper, 1/2 inch by 3 3/8. So now that I've glued my pattern paper to my Whisper White thick piece, I have put dimensionals on the strips of glimmer paper. I have Granny Apple Green here, and I am inking up the sentiment, and it says something cute like, "I hope all your birthday fishes come true." Kind of punny, actually. And then for the blue version, I have inked up in Balmy Blue. Now, of course, if you don't have this stamp set, you could easily go ahead and use a different stamp set. Thank you, happy birthday, whatever. I just thought this was very cute, and you can't get more cute than the Whale of a Time 6x6 designer series paper. All right, I have also added the opposite color to the fishes as well. I added a few little stamped fishes. The glimmer paper goes down to hide that unsightly seam. And of course, I'm making 2 cards at once because it's easy to do so. And then I'm going to flip them over and then apply dimensionals to the backs of them. And I'm going to put the blue one on the Balmy Blue card and the green one on the Granny Apple Green card. Those are the kits that you're going to get if you shop along with me. Big thank you to Wendy Lee for this lovely card design. And that's it for me. I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.